Ferrocrete. Ferrocrete is derived from the root words ferrous and concrete. Ferrous means anything made from iron, and concrete is made from cement, fine aggregates and coarse aggregates and water. Ferrocrete is more commonly referred as rebar reinforced concrete. Combination of iron or steel and concrete serve good complementary properties. Iron or steel has a very high tensile strength, which keeps the ferrocrete from being stretched or bent to the breaking point, whereas concrete protects the structure from crushing since it has a very high compressive strength. Ferrocrete is high early strength Portland cement, which is particularly suitable for facilitating the early demolding, handling and use of precast concrete units, maintaining production in cold weather, early striking of farm work. Properties of ferrocrete. Following are various properties of ferrous concrete, means ferrocrete. Ferrocrete is chemically similar to porcelain, means Portland cement. It is more finely grounded than porcelain and hence it gives higher early strength properties. It stiffens and sets at a similar rate of to porcelain. It does not contain any added accelerators or admixtures. Its color is also similar to porcelain. Ferrocement. Ferrocement is a new innovation in cement concrete. Ferrocement is made of wire meshes and cement mortar. The wire meshes are closed spaced and then impregnated with a rich mortar mix. The diameter of a wire mesh normally varies from 0.5 mm to 1 mm. And spacing between them is normally started from 5 mm and 10 mm. And ratio of cement mortar is 1:2 to 1:3. Water cement ratio is maintained from 0.4 to 0.45. Thickness of ferrocement members or elements varies from 2 cm to 3 cm with 2 mm to 3 mm external cover to the wire mesh. The steel content used in ferrocement varies between 300 kg to 500 kg per cubic meter of a mortar. There are 4 methods of casting, namely hand plastering, semi-mechanical process, centrifuging and gunting. Ferrocement is extensively preferred in US, UK and New Zealand for making boat. Properties of a ferrocement. It is light in weight. It has lesser dead weight of the elements due to its small thickness. It has high tensile strength and less crack width compared to conventional concrete. It can be easily repaired. It has easier moldability to any required shape. It has non-corrosive nature. Advantages of a ferrocement. Use of ferrocement save the basic material like cement and steel. It is more suitable to special structures like shells, roofs, silos, water tanks, pipelines, manhole covers. It is a highly suitable material for precast product. Ferrocement tanks are more cheaper than any other competitive materials. Shotcreting. The process of depositing the mortar or fine concrete on the prepared surface by jetting it with high velocity or pressure applied pneumatically or by spraying is called as shotcreting or gunting. Shotcrete undergoes placement and compaction at the same time because of force raised from the nozzle. Shotcrete is more economical than the conventional concrete because it requires less form work. It only requires a small space for manufactures and its placement. It has excellent bonding capacity with a number of materials. It is a cost-effective building method due to speed of construction and minimum equipment requirement. The hardened properties of shotcrete are similar to conventional cast-in-place concrete. But the nature of the placement process provides additional benefits such as very fast erection, particularly on complex forms or shape including curved wall and arches.